Hello, boys and girls. We are going to watch a quick video from our math book to help us explain weight and learn more about how things can be heavier or lighter. So let's go ahead and take a look and get started. Look at the scale. An apple is on one side and a cherry is on the other side. Which fruit is heavier? So looking at the two, is the apple heavier or is the cherry heavier? The apple is heavier. How do you know the apple is heavier than the cherry? The side with the apple is lower. Look, 2 apples are on the scale now. Which apple is heavier? Is the red one heavier than the yellow one? Is the yellow one heavier than the red one? Neither apple is heavier. They weigh the same. The weight of the first apple is equal to the weight of the second apple. How do you know they are equal? Neither side of the scale is down. The scale has a melon on it now. Which fruit is lighter? So what's lighter, the apple or the melon? The apple is lighter. How do you know the apple is lighter? Looking at where it's positioned on the scale, how do you know the apple is lighter? The side with the apple is higher. So which fruit is heavier? The melon is heavier. How do you know? The side with the melon is down. So boys and girls, now you know how to use a scale to tell which items are heavier and which items are lighter. Remember, if it's heavier, the scale is going to be down. And if it's lighter, it's going to be up. Nice job, boys and girls. Bye.